welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna be transforming this mess into an Instagram photo shoot spot. Ever since we moved into this new house, we haven't had the time to clear up this mess. This balcony is full of stuff that we actually don't need, and a lot of stuff that we do need but seriously don't know where to put. Like, look at all these cassettes. We don't even have a player to play this, but we just hold it. And this is me. Oh my, okay, that was embarrassing. So finally, after 3.5 hours, we were able to clean up this mess thanks to Papa. It took a lot of time, but finally it happened. So yes, this is me झाड़ू लगाते हुए. It took a lot of time, it took a lot of efforts to clean this entire balcony. So now I'm gonna nail 2 nails in the wall. I'm gonna be hanging this sheet. You can use any kind of string. For this I already had a ball of string with me, so I used that. So it's up to you what kind of string you want to use, or what kind of string you have right now at home. It's all up to you. So I'm gonna cut this one string into 2 halves, and then let me just cut it. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna be tying each one to each corner of the sheet. Just a single knot works. One is done. I'm gonna move on to next one, and I think it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay with just one knot. The string was strong enough. So it's up to you to decide how high you want the sheet to be, or how wide you want the sheet to be. So because I'm gonna be shooting for Instagram, I would need this portrait height. I would need everything to be in a vertical direction. So I'm gonna just adjust it a bit. You can also use like extra long sheets and let it fall on the floor. So the hardest part is done. Now comes the fun part, the part where you have to decorate. So I'm gonna place some stool here, some colorful pillows, and of course a big planter. This was the most aesthetic one I could find at my home. I have 50, but they are all very small and short and don't really serve the purpose for the photo shoot. Yeah, so you might want to experiment with the setup of each element, and just experiment with it. Just keep like swiping things through, exchanging their position, replacing them every now and then to see. This is how it looks now. I pretty much like it. I can do more of it. I can add some books, add some flowers to it, if not planters, add more pillows or some blanket or throws. So now all you gotta do is position your tripod, set your phone on a timer, 3 to 5 seconds or maybe 10 seconds. Try a lot of new poses and see what works for you. Just try to get all the elements in the picture. and I'm gonna reposition now. I'm gonna sit on the floor and get to clicking. It might take you a lot of time to get to know what kind of poses will work for you, what kind of hairstyle will work for you, if you need the tripod to be closer to you or far away, if you need the timer to be on 10 seconds, and you need to just keep on posing and posing and posing. So yeah, here I've changed the outfit because I think red काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो गया था. So I'm gonna just get a new perspective with just the plant and white backdrop and a little bit of the railings. As you can see, I'm still trying to find out the perfect angle and the perfect position. Experiment a lot. It's not gonna be just like 10-minute photo shoot or something. You know how it works. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this result. I hope you try this out, and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and the bell icon. Thank you.